got a fun one for you today. We're gonna be replacing the clutch on a 97 F-150. Step 1, gotta take off the drive shaft. Step 2, gotta drop the tranny and the transfer case. Replace the clutch slave and the clutch. This is pretty rusty and nasty.
Should be a good time. This truck's been beefed up to be a flatbed workhorse. We got an extra add-a-leaf added on. We got helper springs down here, but little bitty normal axles. We got a bit of a rat's nest in there. Next step, removing the drive shaft. But it's working.
She's got the rot, folks.
Here we go. Drive shaft.
Next up, we're disconnecting the transfer case.
I'm rigging up my transmission jack. So we got this 1,000-pound motorcycle jack. Throw a Harbor Freight ratchet strap underneath. Be pretty sturdy when we throw a whole transmission on there. It's gonna take off some pressure in the transmission jack. Alright. Tranny mount disconnected.
Gotta disconnect the shifter.
Don't want to come.
Ah!
I'm removing the slave cylinder line. Victory. Slave line removed. We got our sketchy rig set up, and we're gonna drop the transfer case. Okay. There she is. So I got the come along hooked up, and yeah, it's kind of sketchy, but you know, that's what we do. Scoop this baby back. Now that we got the transmission pulled out, we can go ahead and start focusing on clutch. Clutch. Out. Old versus new. It's a little different. Ow. Here it is. Now that we got the slave put in, we're gonna go ahead and install that clutch. Yeah, it's tight enough. Get some of that on there. Yeah. Don't show my mysteries. Okay, stop. Let me see. There. It feels nice. Got the transmission bolted up. We got the starter in. We're gonna throw in the transfer case and the trans mount, and then we gotta hook up that slave line, put our drive shafts in, and we should be good to go. If only there was someone here to help me. There it is. Okay. Oh yeah. And did we win? Did we win? Did we win? We won, man. We got it on the right shot. Look at that. I'm a pro. There's a little turtle guy.
A twiddle.
A twiddle. Hopefully the battery's not dead.
Jinxed it.
Battery's dead. There we go. I think we may need a bleeder. A little more.
Alright, now we're ready.
It's like an old Ford. It's a bumpy ride. It's feeling good though. Put the clutch in and she don't stall when I stop. I think all things considered for a work truck, she did pretty good.
That's a job well done. Be on our way.
Profit.